Welcome back to Amazon FBA Sourcing Success Guide. And in this video, we're going to be talking about the online auction and liquidation houses. Now, there are a lot of liquidation marketplaces, and not all are going to meet your needs as an Amazon FBA seller. If you are looking for brand overstock and returned inventory from major retailers, B-Stock Sourcing is the best place for you to start looking at liquidation houses. And because this is an open marketplace and it's an online marketplace, you'll need to understand your niche very well. You'll need to understand what you think is going to sell. The inventory is going to be available and it's going to be attainable to those who can bid and those who can actually negotiate for the price. But the most important thing is not being able to attain the merchandise, but it really is knowing that this merchandise is actually going to sell. The good thing is that you'll be able to know the exact brand, you'll be able to know how to do your research, and you'll be able to use B-Stock in order to do that research. If you're looking for deeply discounted closeouts, then the Genco Marketplace is the place that you'll want to start looking online. And once again, you'll be able to search by your keyword, and Genco, as for the most part, just a wholesaler of retailer returns. So this is where, if you think that your niche is going to be one that you're going to be able to find good success with returns, you want to start with Genco, and it's a great way to get good inventory at a great price. Now, there are a number of online auction houses and retailers. And if you just Google online auction, you'll see a number of retailers that are in there that will make available to you inventory that you can get at auction price. There are sites like Rasmus.com, Liquidation.com, PropertyRoom.com. And again, a simple Google search will yield you more than we've shown you, but this is a very good start where you can find good inventory. Now, there's actually a resource list of online liquidation houses connected to this particular video in your clickable PDF. So with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.